What is the sequence of take of the graft? So this is the second question that we are going to discuss. What is take of the graft? Take is defined as percentage acceptance of the graft by the recipient bed. So percentage acceptance of graft by recipient bed, this is what is known as take of the graft. So suppose if I put a graft over this wound and after 5-6 days, if you see that only this much part of the wound is covered, so the part which is covered is referred as take. So in this case, suppose example, if 60% has been covered, the take will be 60. Now when we talk about the steps of the take of the graft, let us try to understand that. When we are talking about the steps, the stage 1 is the stage of imbibition. This is the time when within 24 to 48 hours of the placement of the graft on the recipient bed, there is deposition of fibrin or plasma molecules. So fibrin or plasma molecules actually deposit in this case. The next is the stage of inosculation. So after imbibition, we have inosculation, and this is also going to last for 48 hours. What is this stage going to do? The recipient bed is having the graft, and now there is development of fine vasculature. So development of fine vasculature is what is happening in this stage of inosculation. And then we have stage 3, that is the stage of revascularization. So stage of revascularization is the last stage, and it also requires 48 hours, and this is nothing but formation of well-defined blood vessels between the graft and the recipient bed. You know, graft have to rely on the recipient bed for their blood supply. So if we see this, inosculation is not the first has to be imbibition, then inosculation, and then revascularization. So B is the right answer in this case.
Subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from PrepLadder.